Last night was my daughter's first
But
baseball
I
game.
said I'm eating.
Oh, and she's eating her yogurt right now. But last night, we went to her very first baseball game. It was very cool. It was loud and exciting, and I think...
Mama.
What about Mama? Mama.
Yeah.
Did Mama go with us to the baseball game?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, she did. And while we were there, we got to ride a little train. There was a little train there that we could ride.
And there's a bee.
Oh, there was a big bee. Yeah, there was a big bee, or someone dressed up in a bee suit, and that was the mascot. So the mascot for the team is a big bee named Bumble, huh?
Dumble.
Yeah, Bumble. And anyway, when we were leaving the stadium, we said, "Can we go through this door?" And one of the workers said, "Go for it." And I thought, go for it. That's a great phrase that I can share with you because...
Dad, I'm still eating my yogurt.
Oh, okay. Go for it. Go for it just means go ahead or yes. It's a way to say that's okay, that's fine. And it comes with a bit of encouragement or confidence, like, yes, you can definitely do that. So if you hear that phrase, then you'll know what go for it means. And if you want to eat your yogurt, go for it. Do you want to make a video with me?
I'm still eating.
Oh, you're still eating. Okay, go for it. Do you want to take a big bite?
No.
Okay. Anyway, so that's the phrase we wanted to share with you today. And I hope when you're thinking about English and how to use it every day that you'll just go for it. All right? See you next time.